Welcome to the geepas booth at apextools. It's a great honor that we are tied up with apextools, our exclusive dealer at Musaffah. It's been 6 years we started this journey, and we can see the wide range. We have a 3-day offer. Some of the machines are up to 50% off. Please come fast and avail this offer. We have a wide range of tools, to cordless to blower, and we have a good range of hand tools also. Please do come and see the wide range, get discount up to 50%. We have a wide range of cordless, 12 volts, 18 volts. We have electric blowers, and we have angle grinders. We also have cutoffs and saws. And the best part is we are giving away discount up to 50%.